Hey guys, Praveen here, and this video is on how I think about light mode and dark mode, especially in landing page design. So here in this light mode, which is what most people use for landing page, and that's perfectly fine. But if you go for dark mode and light mode toggle, it will look something like this. So here I have a light beige background with goes well with the lime a green color for the main accent color. I have only one color more for most of the only one accent color. Everything else is gray. All the text are gray, and the background is in the light beige with the mountains on the background just to add some visual interest. But everything else is pretty much the same. It's all black text except for these subtext here, description text. Everything else is just black text. This is again slate 500, probably zinc 500. So yeah, so light mode is pretty simple, straightforward. It's just having one accent color, having a background image for visual interest, and black text everywhere. But if you jump straight into light mode over here, it's pretty much the same. The black text everywhere changes to white text, and the I can increase the thing also here. So it's 400 now because 500 it's a little not readable on dark mode, so I'll change it to 400. So that's the kind of improvement you have to make. You have to just make sure everything is readable, everything pops more. And for light mode, I've chosen like the background is not actual black, the text is not actual black, it's like zinc 900, it's like close to black, because actual black will not look good on like white backgrounds. But for like in dark mode, you can choose actual white, like pure white, because that will look good and it will pop more in darker background. And even the background here also I've updated to like dark mode. I've added some visual interest. I've generated this in ChatGPT, added some visual interest even more to pop even more in dark mode, which will look good. So yeah, that's the basic difference. That's how I think about light mode and dark mode. It's fully not like actual in color inversion. It just takes some little color updates, color tweaking, and updating the backgrounds to even pop even more in darker setting. So yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know if you want more videos like this. Bye bye.